Hi, in this video, I will talk about serial version UID and its importance in the process of serialization and deserialization. So, I will quickly show that via one example, and I am having here serialization example class, deserialization, and one car class, and that is the serializable object. That is for serializable object. So here, serializable is the interface that we must implement if we want to make any class compatible for serialization. So that I did here, and these are the two fields that I will use further in the example. And this is the class used for generating the serializable object. So I will quickly run this one. And so this is the object. In real world, this is not required to be copied. We directly use objects in the API. So for just demonstration purpose, I'm copying and pasting here for deserialization. So here I've copied and I'm printing color and type. So it will print. Yeah, so it's printed. Now, if you have noticed, I haven't declared any serial version UID here. So Java generated default serial version UID, and it was used during serialization and deserialization. Now, again, now I will make some changes here. Suppose I declare one field name as brand. And I will use this field here. So I will run again this one. Yeah, so here we see we got some exception. Yes, so this is the exception, invalid class exception. This says that local class incompatible. That means whenever we were not having one field that brand name, it was having this serial version ID, and when we declared one, then Java generated this serial version ID because we haven't declared any serial version ID with this one, so Java generated by its own. Because during serialization, it's important. But we are getting incompatible error here because it's generated by Java. So to avoid this issue, we declare our own serial version UID. So we quickly will see this via an example. Yeah, so here I will remove this one and here I will declare first serial version ID that is our user defined, and here I will show and generate. Okay, this is giving an error. So this is our object, serialized object, and we use this one here. Yeah, it's so it's printing properly because the serialization happening, and these are the this is the ID used. Now again I will create that scenario. Suppose I am creating new field. Yeah, and I am using this one, that one here. Okay. And I will run this class. Yeah. So here we haven't got any error now this time because in this case we have declared our own serial version UID. So Java has not generated default one during deserialization. That's why class is compatible and we are able to see some value here, null value, because as of now we haven't copied any value here, but exception is avoided. So this is the main importance of serial version UID, to avoid exception during the any class version gets changed, then it will work fine without any exception. Yeah, thank you very much. And I will use this field here. So I will run again this one.